So this is the setup of the ultrasonic sensor and the Arduino. I have plugged in the Arduino. I will show in the pin diagram in this video. The side button, you can check it out. Now we have the setup of the Arduino and the ultrasonic sensor, and you can see the scale is. I have put the scale here, and we can measure it from the scale so that we can get the calibration of the sensor, and we can check whether it is correct or not. So this is the ultimate setup of the ultrasonic sensor and the Arduino. Now we will just plug in the USB cable here to the power supply, which is the laptop. After connecting it with the laptop, we will head on to the Arduino software. So first of all, we will head on to this Arduino IDE software, and we will put on the code here. I will be putting on the source code in the description. This is the code. This is a very simple code. I am defining here in the first line. I am defining the echo pin and defining the trick pin. The echo pin is connected with the second port of the Arduino, and the trick pin is connected with the third port of the Arduino. So this is the pin, and now we will define the variables. There is the distance and duration. So we have defined the variable distance and defined the variable for the duration of the sound wave travel is the this is the distance, and the variable for the distance measurement is this int distance. So these two variables are defined. Now we will go to the point setup. Here we can set this pin mode trick pin output, and this is the pin mode echo pin input. So what does the pin mode trick pin output means? The sets the trick pin as an output, and the pin mode echo pin input means it sets the echo pin as an input. So now in the serial begin 9600, this means that the serial communication is starting with 9600 baud rate speed, and then in this serial print in ultrasonic sensor HCSR-04 test, this means that the print which prints some text in serial monitor, and this is the code definition here for the void setup. Now in this void loop there is a loop, make the loop, and this is the void loop, and we will head on to the this loop basically what it does is clears the trick pin condition of the trick pin condition, and again this is the digital OR trick pin which is set up to the low, and delay microsecond is 2 microseconds is the delay. So this what it does is it sets the trick pin high at the active position for 10 microsecond, and this is the thing what it does. And the digital write, we have this digital write trick pin high, and delay microsecond is 10 microsecond. So this is the digital write trick pin low, and now this reads the echo pin returns the sound wave travel in microsecond. So this is the main function of it, and then we do have the duration. So this is the duration of the pulsing echo pin, and this is put to the high frequency, and here's the calculation of this. What it does, the calculation this duration, it does the calculating the distance, which is calculate the distance basically, and the distance is equal to this is duration into 0.034 divided by 2. So this is the basic calculating of the distance formula, and this what it does is speed of the sound wave divided by 2, means it go and back means it get reflected back. Now this is the serial print distance, and serial print distance in the centimeter. So this is what it does, and actually this displays this particular code, it displays the distance on the serial monitor, and that's it. So now we will be doing the upload. It will take some seconds, or it will take some minutes depending on the length of the code. So it will first verify, and then it will upload. So click on the upload. So let's wait. So now the compilation is done, and we have to go to the serial monitor to check the distance, which is the ultrasonic sensor is measuring. So here we will put the baud rate to 9600. Yes, there's 9600 here. Now we check. So this is basically zero distance because no object is placed here. Now we will add on to this particular setup. Okay. So let's wait. So now we will check the distance which is measured by this ultrasonic sensor. There is the scale, and its length is around 15 inches. and its length is around 15 inches and 30 centimeters. So we will put a black box here in this 13 centimeter. This black box. Let's see whether it can measure it correctly or not. So now we'll head on to the serial monitor here. So you can check it. This is serial monitor. Let's see. So we'll go into the serial monitor from the toolbox. So we'll go to the serial monitor here. And let's check the distance here is, we put it correctly. Distance is around 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 centimeter is the sensor. Let's check now. So what it shows is 13 centimeter. Now again we will change the distance. Let's put it somewhat closer. This will be 9 centimeter. Okay? So this is 9 centimeter. So we will check whether it gives 9 centimeter in the display. So here we can check that this is around. Check it's 9 centimeter, 9 to 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter is giving 11 centimeter because of some issues there. So we'll check it again. So put it correctly, and we will put it correctly here. It's around not 9, it's around 10. So now it is perfectly at 9 centimeter. Again we will see the display. Can check it's around giving 12 centimeter. I don't know why it is giving 12 centimeter, but now it is 9 centimeters. Now it is 9 centimeter around. 9 to 10, it will fluctuate between 9 to 10. It's 9 now it is perfectly 9. So like this you can change again, you can change this position, and let us put it here in 15. So you can check this is 15, and again we will check whether it is correct or not. So now you can see that this is 15 correctly. It's giving 15 continuously, it is giving 15. So this is the you can say this is the function of ultrasonic sensor using the Arduino Uno, and this is the setup which I have made. This is the black box, and the scale is there, and this is the Arduino setup. Thanks.